Google releases AI ethics guidelines.
Cisco and Google Cloud join forces.
And Alibaba Cloud streamlines pig farming. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup, Friday, June 15th.
Welcome to another edition of the Cloud Roundup on lifternews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb.
And I'm Corey Bowling. Let's take a look at some interesting changes in the cloud this week and how they impacted the Lifter Index. Following the announcement that Google Cloud will not be renewing its existing contract with the Department of Defense, the company released a series of guidelines for future policy on how it intends to use AI in the future. The guidelines contain both suggestions of the positive ways that Google will try to expand its use of artificial intelligence, as well as a few rules about how the company won't utilize the emerging technology.
Weapons are among the list of things the company stated will not be designed or deployed under the new guidelines, along with any other technology that is likely to, quote, cause overall harm. However, they did add that if the benefits substantially outweigh risks, they might proceed after assessing appropriate safety constraints.
They also stated that technologies that gather or use information in a way that is violating, quote, internationally accepted norms would not be supported. This likely refers to the recent GDPR compliance standards, which went into effect last month. Lastly, they stated they would not support any features that counteract widely accepted international law or human rights standards.
Despite this clear position on the topic, Google Cloud CEO Diane Greene defended the previous contract's purpose in a blog post earlier this week. Greene stated that, quote, saving lives was the overarching intent, and made it clear that the provider honored the full extent of its contract with Project Maven. In other Google Cloud news, the company teamed up with Cisco Systems, global producer of networking equipment and high-technology hardware. The goal of this partnership is to allow customers to move workloads from private to public clouds more easily, quickly, and cheaply.
The partnership will allow Cisco to deploy and build infrastructure around Google's open-source software platform, Istio, so that Cisco customers can build an application one time in an open premises system, then later deploy them in the cloud if they choose to do so. This kind of mobility and flexibility is exactly what hesitant customers are looking for in terms of adaptability.
Cisco also specializes in security, and it has been a running theme in the direction of the company over the last quarter. A recent acquisition of a company, a privately held artificial intelligence company, will likely bolster Cisco's ability to cooperate with Google and process threat information in the new platform.
Alibaba Cloud is trying to revolutionize the way Chinese pig farmers operate with artificial intelligence. The program, named ET Agricultural Brain, uses AI machine learning to span a variety of products to help make sure farmers' charges are healthy, happy, and productive. For example, voice recognition is being used to detect sick animals and keep an eye on young piglets.
Currently, the product is already being utilized by some of China's top pig farms, and projections about how much this could improve the overall agricultural output of China's pork industry are optimistic. Alibaba stated that the program can increase annual newborns by 3 per sow and would reduce the loss of animal life due to sickness or injury by 3%. Because China is one of the world's leading suppliers and consumers of pork, the success of this new technology could spring Alibaba Cloud forward in its long-standing international goals. Keep an eye on the Alibaba Cloud Lifter score to find out. And that's a wrap for this week's Roundup on lifternews.com.
Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you.
Email us at ideas@lifternews.com.